I am going to put the beakers on fire.
Let's centrifuge blood and then we will decide whether this is homogeneous or heterogeneous. Alright, now let's decide whether it's homo or hetero. Cool. Do you see? We can actually clearly distinguish between the two phases, right?
Alright, let me start with adding the universal indicator to all of these 4 beakers. Observe the color changes very carefully and match it with the chart out here and look for yourself what it signifies. Mastering organic chemistry is like building with molecular Legos. You gather the tiniest bits and pieces, make connections, get better at it with each step, and eventually end up with a wonderful creation. Let us make some beautiful organic molecules.